Well, Sikkim has lost its COVID-free status. The Himalayan state, which had so far managed to remain a COVID-free, reported its first case today. A Delhi returned youth has been tested positive for the virus. The sample of the patient was tested positive at the North Bengal Medical College and Hospital in Siliguri. The patient, a 25-year-old youth, is a resident of South Sikkim district and has been admitted to the isolation ward in the STNM hospital in Gangtok. The patient had developed symptoms for the deadly virus 2 days back. The patient had returned to the state from Delhi by a bus, and 12 more people who had come in the same bus from Delhi and had come in close contact with the patient have been kept under isolation. Meanwhile, results of 316 samples are still awaited. So Sikkim has lost its COVID-free status as the Himalayan state which had so far managed to remain a COVID-free, reported its first case today. And also let me tell our viewers that a Delhi returned youth has been tested positive for the virus. The sample of the patient was tested positive at the North Bengal Medical College and Hospital in Siliguri. The patient, a 25-year-old youth, is a resident of South Sikkim district and has been admitted to the isolation ward in the STNM hospital in Gangtok. The patient had developed symptoms for the deadly virus 2 days back, and the patient had returned to the state from Delhi by a bus. And also 12 more people who had come in the same bus from Delhi and had come in close contact with the patient have been kept under isolation. Meanwhile, results of 316 samples are still awaited. So viewers, first positive case reported from the Himalayan state. And this time, in fact, a Delhi returned youth has been tested positive for the virus in Sikkim, and the sample of the patient was tested positive at the North Bengal Medical College and Hospital in Siliguri. So Sikkim has lost its COVID-free status, and the Himalayan state, which had so far managed to remain a COVID-free, reported its first case today. And the patient, a 25-year-old youth, is a resident of a South Sikkim district and has been admitted to the isolation ward in the STNM hospital in Gangtok. Well, the patient had developed symptoms for the deadly virus 2 days back, and the patient had returned to the state from Delhi by a bus. And not only this, 12 more people who had come in close contact with him have also kept under observation. And meanwhile, results of 316 samples are still awaited. And it may be mentioned that apart from the 13 people who came in a bus from Delhi, over 800 people had returned to Sikkim from Bangalore just a day ago. We have reactions coming in from Sikkim Health Secretary Dr. Pemba T. Bhutia. So let's listen in.
Since we started our borders for incoming returnees from 5th of May. We have been receiving lots of returnees from outside Sikkim. And recently, one young boy, he had traveled from Delhi. He was studying in Delhi, some coaching classes he was doing. He was staying in Hyderpur area, and he was staying as a paying guest where there are around 5 to 6, as total 7 of them staying together. And he had traveled to Siliguri in a bus with some fellow Sikkimese people and other people. And he reached Siliguri on 19, and 19 they were taken to Melli because he was from South Sikkim. He was taken to Melli checkpost in a bus where there were total 12 of them. So out of that, 3 of them were from South, so they were taken, one lady and 2 male. They were taken to JNB Ravongla, and remaining 9 were taken to West Sikkim, out of which 8 are put into facility quarantine at JNB Rohtak, and 1 went for the paid quarantine facility. And then once he came to JNB Ravongla on 21st of May, he developed some symptoms like fever and chills, and the antipyretic medicine was given in the quarantine center only, seen by the Ravongla doctor. Then he was taken to Melli from Namchi District Hospital. From there he was sent to, on 22nd morning, he was brought to SNM Hospital. So as soon as he arrived in flu clinic in SNM Hospital, a sample was taken from the flu clinic only, and was sent for the TrueNet testing. And in the evening, when we got the report, he was tested positive in the TrueNet. So once in the TrueNet, there are usually 4 reports. One is positive, one is presumptive positive, presumptive negative, and negative. So once a person gets negative report, that is 100% negative. So you don't have to do further tests. But since he was positive, so it was required to do a confirmation test by RT-PCR. So today morning, early morning, his individual sample was sent to North Bengal Medical College Hospital for the testing of RT-PCR testing. And then at around 3:30, we received the report on phone that they call us that he is positive. So as soon as we came to know that he is positive, so we called you for the press conference. And we know that there are few people who had been traveling with him. So we have sent all the details to all the concerned CMOs and all this. And we have to now, our IDSP cell will be contacting Delhi IDSP for the contact tracing who had traveled in the bus from Delhi. And right now the person is asymptomatic. He had fevers and chills for 1 or 2 days, but now he is totally asymptomatic. He doesn't have any problem, though the test is positive. So he will be under in isolation, COVID positive isolation ward for few days. And once like if he is better, then we'll be doing his test again, 2 samples in 24 hours. And if both the samples come negative, then we'll be discharging him. And this was quite expected, because when we were getting so many returnees coming every day, we had requested for a staggered type of returnees, so that we could do screening and facility quarantine in a better way. But since the returnees were in large number, but still we are doing all the tests, and now he is positive, so we will do the treatment. And I request everyone that from now on onwards also, I just request all the returnees that if they can register the online, and they come in a staggered, in a good like limited numbers, like 2 to 300 in a day, then the screening will be better. They'll get a better quarantine facility also. But if you like come by force, we can't return you back also. We'll keep you, but the facilities and all might not be as per your expectations.
So it could be, there could be many cases also. So how prepared the department is now?
No, if we this was somehow, when we think of returnees and all, we were prepared with some positive cases also. So because of that, as per the logistic and all, we are totally prepared, and the hospital is totally equipped with all the required facilities. And we have got separate COVID hospital, 266 beds we have got ICU and all. But luckily this boy, he's asymptomatic right now, so we hope that there won't be any problem in future also.
Yes, after I'm standing here in front of health department. Will thus the director general come health secretary of state government health department has clearly said that the one positive case has been reported from Sikkim. The boy was hailing from South Sikkim, Rabangla, and was tested positive in North Bengal Medical Hospital today afternoon. So after this, uh, Sikkim was till date the zero COVID cases, but now with the first case of Sikkim has been now reported. With cameraman Binod Tamang, this is Sujal Pradhan, Sikkim.
And to know more on these, we are being joined over phone line with our correspondent from Gangtok, Sujal Pradhan. Sujal, first positive case reported from the Himalayan state. So what more details do you have with you right now to share with our viewers? Sujal.
Yes, this is last finally one positive case. Sikkim is now no more COVID, and one guy from South Sikkim has been reported positive. Because all this know, but now the medical challenges ahead is that more returnees are coming to Sikkim.
Right.
Now, similarly, yesterday only the 800, nearly 850 returnees came back, and more are coming from Delhi, Chandigarh, and southern part of the country. So there is a challenge ahead for the medical team.
So, Sujal, when did he reach Sikkim, the patient?
Can you repeat the question, please?
When did he reach Sikkim?
Hello?
Yeah, Sujal, if you can hear me. Yeah. Please tell our viewers that when did the patient who has tested positive today, when did he reach Sikkim?
Yes, he reached Sikkim on 17th, and immediately as all returning have to go into a quarantine center, so he was also sent to the quarantine facility at South Sikkim. So he developed symptoms of fever and chills. So as soon as the symptoms developed, he was brought to then to main hospital, COVID-19 hospital, and kept in isolation. So and finally the same report swab test was sent to North Bengal Medical Hospital today morning, and afternoon the report came positive.
And also, Sujal, as per reports, 12 more people who had come in close contact with him have also kept under observation. So where are those 12 more people now?
They
In
are
which
also
quarantine center?
strictly monitoring of them in health department, and they have no any symptoms. So they are also in facility. They are not in any symptoms. But the concern is that the driver from whose vehicle he was traveled is also in monitoring. Health department is trying to monitor him and tracking him, and as soon as they are planning to keep them in quarantine also.
And also, Sujal, 814 people, they have come to the state today. So are the state government all prepared to tackle with any situation?
Yes, in fact, there is a huge challenge. I already said that there is a big challenge for medical team ahead, because now the teaching was actually prepared for 5,000 outside. The registration has went up to more than 8,000. So the challenge is that more 2,000 is increased. So more are registering day by day. So there is a challenge, huge challenge for system to for the quarantine facility. But
All right, Sujal Pradhan, thank you so much for all those details. So Sikkim has lost its COVID-free status, and the Himalayan state, which had so far managed to remain a COVID-free, reported its first case today. And a Delhi-returned youth has been tested positive for the virus, and the sample of the patient was tested positive at the North Bengal Medical College and Hospital in Siliguri. Well, the patient, a 25-year-old youth, is a resident of South Sikkim district and has been admitted to the isolation ward in the STNM hospital in Gangtok.